Okay, in this video, let's use a green screen video and remove the green screen color. So what I mean is that let's say in a case that you are using a green screen and this is the green screen, let's remove this green color background. So first of all, let's trim this. Once we trim this, let's label this our green screen. Let's differentiate it from the main clip. So we're going to name green. Let's choose forest. Okay, let's label it as forest. So we change the color. So this your green screen now. You come here, search for ultra key. So after searching for ultra key, you drag and drop it. You drag and drop it here, then you scroll down, go to your key color. This is the dropper tool. So you click on this. You go here, you select this green background. So we'll remove the green. So what you just have to do, we have to adjust this our main clip to fit in properly. Yep. So this is it. So this is it. Let's play it. Now this is it.